Okay, so Anthropic has a thing inside the console called the prompt improver, and I had no idea it existed until last week. You feed it a sloppy 5-line prompt. It hands you back a structured template, chain of thought scaffolding, XML tags, worked examples. One click. It's wild. Quick context. Since this video has a mixed audience, the Anthropic Console is the web app at console.anthropic.com. It's where you test prompts before wiring them into the API. Most people use it like a chat playground. Ask Claude something, see the answer. But hidden behind a button on the Workbench is a full prompt engineering toolkit, templates, variables, an evaluation tool, and the improver itself. Most people never click that button, which, honestly, is kind of a shame. Here's the situation it solves. You've got a task. You write a prompt. It works, sort of. Output's fine. Sometimes great, sometimes weird. And you stare at the prompt for 10 minutes wondering what to change. Add an example, add a system message, wrap things in XML tags, add reasoning steps. This used to drive me up the wall, honestly. The improver basically takes that decision off your plate. One bit of context that helps. XML tags are how Anthropic teaches Claude to find sections inside a prompt, wrapping examples in angle bracket example tags, instructions in angle bracket instructions tags. It sounds nerdy, but Claude was specifically trained to attend to those tags, and the accuracy lift on structured tasks is real. The improver does this for you, automatically, every single time. The improver runs your prompt through 4 passes, and this is from Anthropic's official docs, not me guessing. Step 1. Example identification. It scans your template and pulls out any examples you've baked in. Step 2. Initial draft. It rewrites the structure with proper sections and XML tags. Step 3. Chain of thought refinement. It adds explicit reasoning instructions, so Claude shows its work instead of just blurting an answer. Step 4. Example enhancement. It updates your examples to demonstrate that new reasoning process. You watch all 4 happen live, inside the modal, right there on Anthropic's docs. 4 steps, in order, exactly as I described. What pops out the other end is a different beast. 4 things in particular. Detailed chain of thought instructions. Claude is told to reason step by step, not just answer. XML tags everywhere, separating instructions, examples, input, output. Standardized example formatting that walks from input through reasoning to output. And strategic prefills, which guide Claude's very first tokens. That last one is sneaky, but it works. Concrete example. Original prompt. Classify this support ticket as billing, technical, or general. 3 lines, no thought. After the improver runs, you get a template with XML wrapping, a step-by-step reasoning section, 2 worked examples showing how to think through edge cases, and an explicit output schema. Same 10-word task, now a structured 100-line template. And on the kind of tricky, ambiguous tickets, the ones that used to flip-flop between billing and technical, it's measurably more accurate. That's the payoff. One catch, and the docs are upfront about this. The improver makes your prompts longer. Longer prompts mean slower responses and higher cost per call. So if you're building a real-time chatbot or a latency-sensitive tool, keep your prompt simple. Use the improver where accuracy matters more than speed. Classification, extraction, complex reasoning. The kind of task where one wrong answer ruins the whole pipeline. To actually try it, go to console.anthropic.com, open any prompt in the Workbench, click Improve Prompt. Add a 1-line note about what's broken, like, summaries are too basic for expert audiences. Drop in an example input. Hit Go. Watch the 4 steps tick through. The first time I ran it, I sat there grinning. We're going deep on Claude. Grow with us. Like, subscribe, comment what you think.